Hey you guys, Sylwia here, and welcome all to my Black Box Profits review by the one and only Dave Espino, Mr. Dave Espino. This product went live yesterday on the 3rd of September, okay? So yeah, today is the 4th of September, isn't it? All day. Right, I'm coming kind of late. Numero uno, I sort of got the review access from Dave a bit late. So, you know me, I have to check out the product inside out before I review it and also decide how I can add value to it, okay, by creating some splendid custom-made bonuses for you guys if you decide this is the right product for you and you want to get it from me. Alright, so let's get to it. I've checked it all inside out. I like it. Simple product, yet super powerful, and it's very much congruent with this period of time, with the AI period of time. And it's super trendy, okay? It's something that sells, and it's actually based on Dave Espino's own case study, okay? Because he has been launching products that this tool can build for you for the last 3 months and has been smashing it with his launches. Dave has been selling these products that this tool can create for you in a matter of minutes, okay, if you do it right, if you use this tool. And I'll elaborate and explain more what I mean by that. I'll tell you exactly what you're gonna get with this product. I don't know if it's good or bad, I sort of, frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. Some vendors are like, Sylwia, don't reveal too much. But at the same time, I want you guys to be fully informed. And to be brutally honest, when you check my affiliate score, you will see that my refund rates are extremely low. Okay, I don't have a huge list. Well, do I have a list? I haven't launched my own product yet because I'm too busy doing what I'm doing. But when it comes to that, I'll launch my own product, guys, about what I do. So it's going to be very real. But you know what? When people do buy from me, and, I'm just saying all of that without blowing my own trumpet, it's because I believe you guys know what you're getting, okay? So please also don't buy it if that's not for you. Me as a minimalist, I choose to only invest my money in something that's high quality. Of course, I would be a hypocrite to say, I don't care about sales. I do. Okay, but I want happy customers. And I also do my best to create bonuses which will add even more value to it. So I don't know why I even said that. I sort of got inspired to say it because that's how I feel. Putting all of that aside, yeah, Dave has been smashing by selling the tools you can create with this tool and sell them yourselves or use them in many, many various ways. And I also elaborate with my bonuses how you can monetize this method even more, okay, beyond what Dave covers. And, well, I hit it from a different angle. Right. But yeah, Dave is, of course, a very experienced vendor and internet marketer and gets a lot of support from affiliates. So of course he would be smashing with his products, but his products are good and these products do sell. So if you stick to it, if you do it right, you can use, these tools that you would be creating with this method as bonuses. You can sell them on various platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Warrior Plus, of course, sky's the limit. You can use them as lead magnets and they can be created in a matter of seriously minutes because Dave has programmed this tool. Okay, let me tell you what tool, a GPT, custom GPT. Dave has, and he calls it Black Box Profits. He has programmed it according to his own knowledge, skill, and experience he's had with this method for quite some time now, okay? This custom GPT has been programmed in such a way, again, called Black Box Profits, to help you create your own custom GPTs. Alright? So simple as that, yet super powerful. So this is the what? The members area, and as per usual, simple look, but very, very powerful. Okay, guys, it's gonna be blurred out because there are links to videos. There are free, very thorough, over the shoulder. They would walk you through the process of how to create your own GPTs that you can create in a matter of seconds using this tool because, again, this tool, Black Box Profits It's a GPT in itself that helps you create your own, okay? According to your niche, according to what you really want to do, okay? It's amazing stuff. Yeah, so, and there are so many ways in which you can monetize them. And these days, guys, trust me, the trendy. Right, so these are the videos. Let me open up the hosted on Vimeo, okay? This time, not as unlisted YouTube videos. So free videos, here are the links to the videos. Okay, I'm not gonna open up the videos, because I am logged out of Vimeo. Okay, I could still log in. Okay, let me open it up and let me try that. Alright, so here we have, as you see, here is the first one, and Dave is walking you through, why they are so great to create, to monetize, and so simple. And this is what people want. So much simpler than creating courses, ebooks. These are still great. But custom GPTs is something that people really are buying. And it is all backed up with Dave's own experience over the last 3 months. He has made a lot of money from his launches. People love his custom GPTs. And they're always paired up with this PDF, okay? So here we have the PDF. Okay, first 3 videos. Each video is around 30. One of them is like over half an hour long. So over an hour long video training. Then here, this link leads you to the custom GPT. This is the one you see, black box custom GPT. Custom GPT builder guides you through building and monetizing your own GPTs. Okay. So it's not a mystery anymore. It's very hands-on, and the process is so simplified. And yeah, in the video tutorials, Dave shows you the whole process of creating it. He creates a couple of GPTs, I believe, if I well remember. Just, takes the ideas out of thin air and is making stuff up. I mean, in a logical and sensible way. But yeah, he just shows you how easy it is and super simple to create these. And then, it's all explained also in this PDF. The PDF is 35 pages long. At the end, you have access to the upgrades in case you haven't picked them up after buying the front end. So you've got it all here as well, guys. So that's that. I'm not gonna talk more about this offer, simple offer, yet, powerful if you use it. And here is my written review with all of my amazing bonuses, guys. So the written review is right below in the description box. You will find all of the information about the funnel as well, the prices, and of course my, $17 is during the launch. And then, and my bonuses. So there you go. I have created for you 3 bonuses after I've checked out all of what this offer comes with. And I thought, okay, here is where I can give you a leg up. So I give you 7 fast-selling AI product ideas you can launch in 24 hours or less using this custom GPT, okay? Called again Black Box Profits. It's a custom GPT that helps you create and monetize your own GPTs. And simple as that, and as honest as that, guys. Then my bonus number 2 is called Free Traffic Jumpstart, so where you can get free traffic, okay? No paid ads, no nothing, to your GPTs, okay? And then number 3, the sales page shortcut, a creator's guide to selling digital tools, GPTs, and AI assets without being a copywriter, okay? So, hey ho. It's sort of like a natural follow-up that I give you with my bonuses, to this product, I believe. Okay, this is in my humble opinion. Right, here are my bonuses. You will find them inside of your Warrior Plus account. I have already delivered them, so they're waiting for you. If you pick up this product, if that's for you, via my link, okay, via my written review, you just click through the get the best price, and then you will be redirected to the sales page. And on the sales page, of course, you know what to do. It says the black box quietly printed me this and that much money in the last 90 days. Again, this is true, okay? It's loading up. My internet is so slow here. I'm actually connected from my, hotspot I'm currently at my parents in Poland. They don't really have a Wi-Fi because it's just peace and harmony countryside. I was like, why do you need the Wi-Fi? You know, it's nice. It's just a huge garden, and I'm just eating from the Garden of Eden. Ah, so nice. Right, guys, love you and leave you. That was my, this is Dave. Cool. I like Dave a lot. He's super cool. Alright, guys, so if that's for you, pick it up via the link below my review, via my written review. Thank you so much for your support. Love you and leave you. Hey, don't forget to give me those likes, comments, all of that. It all helps me, okay? If you want to help me, this is how you also help me, guys, okay? Okay, love you. Bye.